Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka Hotel Courtyard by Marriott kum ka jingpen kre ka Khrismas bar kasnam thammai. Krasdang banshna yu ukek ba ubahe ba jutip kum ukek missing ceremony. Baningkong hashalong min ha ka santarik unaiwi. Hagani ka jingpalong ya ka kek jingmen Christmas kalong ka sunjang ban pen iperthei ya ka jaka jongka. Ban pelong ya ki brio ki bawan ya shimbenta ka te ka kek missing ceremony bakin sa kin mau. La pelong ya ka te ka kek making ceremony shibnai hashwa ka Christmas ba langet ba kanwan ra ya ka jingmen ba jingba ha ka kamai ka kaji. Ya utay kek ladon ka jingkle ibun jat ki jingber jingbang ban sma ubi hashwa ban penkre ban shna ya ukeng lawan ra ya ka minsim ba kamen jong ki brio. Ha ka pola lumpen bet rinti iki so bat iki budam bat lakle bat la pelong ka wei ban shna ya uplom ki. Lakle iki so ki babunjan bat la teliat iki bat la pedem iki ha ki kiat kum ka brandy rum bat kawan hashwa ban shna ya uki. La pli kate ka ceremony da ki bam ki bapenjau dot kum ki jinkle ubi basma apple cake white chocolate but berry macaroon classic gul dog curry leaves butter cookies lemon tea but cake barbecue chicken wings barbecue pork ribs and chicken satay ringkat ka peanut sauce. Master Tushar Nagar ubade u General Manager junga Courtyard by Marion ha ka jinkren jong uong bakat no ngi smokeman ban pli kini ka cake ceremony ka baning kong e hashilong. Ulo ang ro ba smokeman ban yo i ki palok ba di ki nong tray ba ki wan shimbenta ha ka te ka jingpelong ka cake missing ceremony. But ulo ong ban nang ni shakmat kanang don shu kum kini ki kenja program. Master Angad Grewal ubadeiru head chief jong ka hotel. Ulo ong mo ulo smokeman e shikat day banyo ban shimbenta ha ka ka program ka badeiru ka ban wanra ya ka minsim kaman hashwa ka Christmas.
Oh my god, this smells.
Harvesters were brought together and the community would come together and do a mixing together and it was trying to century in Europe, I think, and it was the time of harvest, and when the dry fruits were picked and the other fruits were picked, they were brought together and it became a community event then, and since then the tradition started, and now we do it in hotels to welcome the season. And with Christmas coming in, and once this mixing is done, the same mixture is used for our cake, which will be made during Christmas, which is the Christmas pudding or the Christmas cake.
Okay, so we can.
I believe other hotels have also done it in Shillong itself. Done it in a big way, and we wanted people to know that we're doing it because the hotel has just opened and we wanted to make some noise about it and let people know some of the good things that we are doing.
So what is
With alcohol, and we keep it in, like I said, we'll store it right now for at least a month, and then once just before Christmas, that's when we start our baking, and that's when people will come to us for the cakes. So the flavor intensifies with, and not only with alcohol but with the spices that you would have noticed and the dry fruits, and once you must have got that aroma also while you were there. So once after we've steeped it in the alcohol and the dry fruits, the flavor will be much more than what you felt now. And yes, and like any freshly baked cake or bread, it's something else heavenly. Cake shop, which is Shillong Baking Company, and that's where our cakes will be available. And we'll have something for you to enjoy the festival at home. Gareval.
You You are master chef, no?
I'm the head chef here at Courtyard by Marriott, Shillong.
G
NGATGREWS. Not only with me, I'm there to guide them, yes, but all efforts are from the team.